Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In yesterday class, we were discuss about the literature review section, but in today's class, we will discuss about first step of methodology section of SSCI Q2 journal research article. We are not going to discuss about full methodology section of research article. Today we are just going to discuss about the one section. The section name is research methods. Most students skips the methodology section because it looks difficult, full of equations and techniques. But today I will show you one thing. Methodology is not scary if you read it with the right mindset. We will discuss how to read and decode what the author is actually doing. Before understanding the methodology, remember one golden rule. Methodology answers one question only. The question is that how did the author test the idea? Not results, not discussion, only how. This is the area of today's discussion. Research methods. We will discuss this line by line and one by one. ARDL and NARDL are considered advanced econometric techniques for analyzing time series data. The first thing I look for in the methodology, the name of the method here, ARDL and NARDL. This tells us three things immediately. First one is this is the quantitative study, time series data. Okay. Econometric techniques analyzing time series data. The second one is the data is time series data. The author is studying relationship between variable over time. You do not need to know the formula yet, just recognize the method. ARDL, NRDL, ARDL, NARDL. In step 2, understand why this method is used. These techniques are employed to represent and comprehend the dynamic interaction of variables. Whenever you see a method, ask why this method? Why not another method? Why this method? ARDL and NARDL are used because variable change over time. Relationship are not static. The author wants to see how one variable reacts to another variable over time. This tells us the dynamic study, not simple correlation between the variables. Now, in this paragraph, we are going to look the third step. Look the core purpose of the method. This one is here, especially in the context of co-integration and the long-run relationship among economic time series variables. Especially in the context of co-integration and long-run relationship. This sense is very important. When author mention co-integration, it means variable may move together in long run. The long run even if they fluctuate in short run. So the author is not only interested in the short run, short term results. They want long run equilibrium relationship. If you are going to understand this, you need to underline the words, like you need to make some notes. Co-integration, long run relationship. We have two things here, co-integration and long run relationship. Now we are moving forward here. Step 4. Identifying What? What extra value the method gives? They are particularly useful in examining nonlinear relationship, lag effects, and short and long-term dynamics in economic models. This one line tells us why ARDL and NARDL are called advanced method. The author is saying relationship may not be linear, effect may appear after time, lagged effect. Short-term and long-term effect can be different. You see, non-linear relationship, lagged effect, short-run and long-term dynamics in the economic model. So we have three things to underline here. Whenever I am going to read the methodology section of my research article, I always translate technical words into simple words. Like dynamic interaction means variables influenced each other over time. The lagged effect means today's decision affects tomorrow. Short run mean immediate impact and the long run mean sustainable impact. This is the secret skill of understanding SSCI high level Q2 journal. Now, I also have an important advice for all of you. Never try to memorize methodology. First, understand the purpose, understand the logic, understand what the author want to prove. Only then worry about equation. So, today we learned how to read the first part of methodology section. In the next class, I will show you how the author originate the data and characteristics in the methodology section. And also, if you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Or if you need any other information about research, about how to write a research article, you just need to write the comment in the video. Hope it's helpful for all of you. Bye bye.